Here's the TOZO NC9 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to iPhones via Bluetooth. This iPhone that I'm using is a iPhone 15 Pro. So the first thing is we want to put this in a pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case. Let me open these up, and then we'll know this is in pairing mode when both of the lights are blinking white, okay? So just wait a second. Okay, so it looks like it's up. Okay, it's not continually blinking white on both sides. So mine is not in pairing mode. I think I'm connected or paired to a different device around me. So let me manually put this into pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode, again, both of these lights will blink white, 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 okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the lid open. The buds are in the case. You have that button right here. I'm gonna press and hold this button until the lights start blinking here, okay? Ready, set, press. Now I'm holding, just wait. Wait till I see two lights blinking. There, boom. Okay, now let go quickly. Don't hold it too long or you're going to reset it. Okay, now they're both blinking white simultaneously. Now it's in pairing mode. Let's go to our iPhone here. You want to go to your settings, and then we're going to go to your Bluetooth settings. Go to Bluetooth here. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And that little thing under other devices, that little spinny thing, is searching for a device that's in pairing mode that is near me. So these two things are in pairing mode. There is the NC9. I will tap on that. Okay, maybe I took too long here. Oh, it showed up again. Let's tap it again. Okay, that was weird, but now we are connected and we're ready to go. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.